warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Nurbaiti Fadhilah and I am from 11 Science 2. Now, I want to show you how to make Weverse account with laptop. And without waiting long, let's get started.
First, open Google or Chrome or another internet and write Weverse account and click website of Weverse account. Second, choose continue with social media and click icon Google. And then choose your email to connect to your account Weverse. And then click next. Third, make your password. Your password must have 8 to 32 alphanumeric characters, with at least one number and one special character. And write again your password. Enter your information for Weverse account. Write your first name and your last name. And click country or region and decide other than South Korea. After that, click next. Then there will be an agreement between you and Weverse. Just click I agree to all, click next. After that, you will have email from Weverse, so check your email. Open your email and choose email from Weverse and click button verify email. And yay! Finally, your Weverse account have finished, and you can use your account in application Weverse. Okay guys, I hope it will be help you, and see you next time. Bye bye.